think education is really important in today's world? Absolutely. Education changes people's lives completely. I agree. It's one of the most powerful things someone can have. Definitely. Education creates opportunities and opens doors. Without education, life becomes much more difficult, especially nowadays when skills and knowledge matter so much. Education is not only about school, honestly. Exactly. Learning can happen everywhere. Books, online courses, conversations, experiences, everything teaches us something. That's why people say learning never stops. Very true. Education also changes the way people think. Yeah, it helps people understand the world better and make smarter decisions in life. Do you think schools prepare students well for real life, though? Honestly, not always. Same opinion here. Schools teach important basics, but real life skills are often missing, like communication, business, and financial knowledge. Exactly. Many students graduate without understanding money management, which is surprising, honestly. Education systems are improving slowly, though. Technology changed education a lot recently. Definitely. Online learning became huge. People can now learn almost any skill from home. That's one of the best things about the internet. Knowledge became more accessible than ever before. Years ago, learning certain skills was much harder. Now someone can learn editing, coding, or marketing online for free. Exactly. Motivation matters more now because resources already exist. Education also builds confidence, especially when people become skilled at something valuable. Skilled people usually think differently because learning expands the mind. I think reading is one of the best forms of education, honestly. Definitely. Books contain decades of knowledge and experience. Successful people almost always recommend reading because books can completely change perspectives. Have you ever read a book that changed your mindset? Yeah, actually. Which type? Mostly self improvement and business books. Those books can be really motivating. They make you think bigger sometimes. Education also helps society improve overall. Definitely. Educated societies usually become more developed